Okay, welcome to a new video and a new playlist, Sound Battles, where we practice common English minimal pairs. For example, qui and ki. So let's look. Today we are practicing qui and ki. Example, qui, squid. Ki, kill. So the qui sounds together, k, w, I, qui, in words like squid and quill are easily mistaken for the ki sounds, k, I, k, I, when they are together in words like skid and kill. This is a common mistake in Japan and other Asian languages, but everywhere really. So let's practice. First, k, w, I, qui, squid. First of all, pause the video. Can you think of any examples of words that have the qui sounds? Write them in the comments. Okay, if you're ready, here are my examples. Repeat after me. Qui, quit. Qui, squid. Qui, quill. Qui, squint. Qui, quid. Squint is actually what I'm doing now, squint, because the sun is in my eyes. Okay, repeat again. Quit, squid, quill. Squint, quid. Great. So just, can you see what's the difference? So kill, ki, qui. So with qui, you're making the w shape, qui. But ki, you're keeping it wide, ki. So again, pause the video. Can you think of any examples of ki words? Ki, kill. Pause the video, write them in the comments. Here are my examples. Ki, kit. Ki, skid. Ki, kill. Ki, skint. Ki, kid. Let's do them together. Repeat after me. Kit, skid, kill. Skint, kid. So before I said squint is what I'm doing because I can't see. Squint. And skint is also me. It means no money. I have no money. I am skint. There you go. So let's practice. Instructions. Listen to me. And if you hear a word on the left, go left. If you hear a word on the right, go right. And then which letter do you end on? Let's do an example practice first. So the qui, qui words are on the left. The ki words on the right. Ready? It's the first one. Example. Quit. Is it left or right? Quit. Yeah, left. Quit. Skid. Yes, right. Quill. Yes, left. Skint. Yes, it's right. So the answer is F. Okay, because qui and ki, the mouth is very different. Test time. I will cover my mouth so you can't see. Listen carefully and let's follow. You ready? Let's start. Test time. Cover my mouth. Okay, ready? Quit. Squid. Kill. Skint. One more time. Quit. Squid. Kill. Skint. Pause the video. In the comments, what's your answer for number 1? Okay, here's the answer. D. Left, left, right, right. Quit, squid, kill, skint. Quit, squid, kill, skint. Okay, one more time. Pause the video, practice if you need. If not, test 2. Same again, I will cover my mouth. You listen carefully. What's the answer? Kit. Squid. Kill. Squint. One more time. Kit. Squid. Kill. Squint. All right, go back and listen again. Type your answer in the comments if you know. Let's see, the answer is K. Okay, repeat after me. Kit. Squid. Kill. Squint. The answer is K. Okay, last practice is I have a tongue twister, to practice these sounds together. Okay, repeat after me. First, I'll try and say it regular speed. The squinting skint squid skidded as he quit. That is quite tricky. The squinting skint squid skidded as he... The squinting skint squid skidded as he quit. Okay, repeat after me. Quit. He quit. As he quit. Skidded as he quit. Squid skidded as he quit. Skint squid skidded as he quit. Squinting skint squid skidded as he quit. The squinting skint squid skidded as he quit. Okay. Tricky. Okay, I think that's it for today. By the way, this activity, it's a listening skill, but it's also a speaking skill. So get a friend, get a language learning partner, and test each other. You can use these words, or you can use any words using qui or ki, or any sounds. You can test each other. And it practices your listening skills, also your speaking skills. The squinting skint squid skidded as he quit. It's tricky. Okay, that's it. We'll be adding more videos, sound battle videos, soon with different tricky sounds. So if you have a problem with any sounds, leave it in the comments and then I can make a video. For example, in Asia, the R and the L. In South Asia, the V and the W, or the TH and the D sound. These are all tricky. We're going to be adding to this playlist with more. Okay, thanks a lot, and follow the links. See you next time. Bye-bye. The squinting skint squid skidded as it... Okay, bye-bye.